For the last few weeks, we have given you the keys to creating your own life, and some of you are still holding on to them while others are getting ready to work their plan. Here with your master plan of action is the author of The Creative Mind, Bobbie Seller. Welcome back, Bobbie.
Thank you.
So let's talk about working the plan. What is the first step?
The first step, naturally, is to create a plan. You want to figure out what it is that you're going to be doing with your life. So if you're going to go to school, what are you going to go to school for? And the key is really in finding out what you're good at doing. So you have to be passionate. If you want to be successful, you have to do something that you're passionate about. So once you figure that out, then you draft a business plan, then a marketing plan of how you're going to ultimately get business or market yourself to get a job.
Plan your work your plan, that whole thing.
All interrelated.
I gotcha.
You gotta have the right plan.
Yes. Okay, so why should we maintain a sense of urgency?
You know, it's really about time. We're given so much time, and that's really the most precious commodity. So you don't want to waste your life, going to school, coming back, leaving school, coming back to school, working at a dead-end job. I mean, you really want to, be proactive, and really, if you want to make life changes, you got to take those risks. And a lot of people are not willing to take risks and do the work that's necessary in order to change your life.
Yeah, indecision can be so tough.
It's a killer. It's like, what do I do? If you know you're not happy, then that's a starting point. Something is wrong.
Okay. In your book, you say time and energy are both limited efficiencies, or maybe they're not. What do you mean by that?
Yeah, I don't like the word being limited. It's all about being efficient. So if you know you have to get to work, you don't take the roundabout way to get to work. You find the most direct route to the goal, even if that means you have to blaze your own path. And a lot of people don't want to do that.
True.
You get your machete out, go through the woods, and just get to your destination, I mean, that's really where you want to be, and you want to get there as quickly as possible.
See it as a point on a map.
Right, and just get there. You really have to create that, because people always follow other roads, and that's really not the way to your destination.
Okay, and then what's next?
What's next is once you figure out where you're going, then you have to take that risk. And that's really what it comes down to. People do not want to take risks because they're scared. They're scared to fail.
Yeah.
And we'll talk about that in the upcoming weeks, but that fear of failure will really keep somebody, paralyzed.
Yeah.
They're scared and they won't move. And
So clarity of vision is really important.
you have to know where you're going. It's like if you're commanding a ship. If not, you're going to hit a rock eventually. So you have to know that direction. Even if you see the big blue sea, you know which direction your moral compass or your business compass is going to, and you just follow that path, and eventually you'll get there.
I know a lot of people are sitting home and they're thinking, this sounds great. I totally understand the concept, but they cannot get off the couch.
Yeah, listen, I was you once, like I always say, 3 years ago I started with $37 on a credit card and a hope and a dream, but you can really do that. You just have to get up and do it. And if you take that risk and you believe in yourself, you'll be amazed how the world opens up to you.
Bobbie, thank you. If you have questions on creating your own life, email them to questions@sellerlaw.com. And to get your very own copy of The Creative Mind, go to bobbieseller.com.